In the past decade, Bitcoin has revolutionized the world of finance and has captured the attention of investors, businesses, and governments alike. As we approach the year 2025, the future of Bitcoin remains a hot topic of discussion. Will it continue to rise in value and dominate the cryptocurrency market, or will it fade into obscurity? In this article, we will explore some predictions and trends for Bitcoin in 2025. One of the most significant predictions for Bitcoin in 2025 is its mainstream adoption. Over the years, we have seen an increase in the number of businesses and institutions accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. This trend is expected to continue as more and more companies realize the benefits of using Bitcoin, such as lower transaction fees and faster payments. In 2025, we can expect to see a significant number of e-commerce platforms, retailers, and even traditional financial institutions accepting Bitcoin as a legitimate currency. Another trend that is likely to shape the future of Bitcoin is the integration of blockchain technology into various industries. Blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin, has the potential to revolutionize many sectors, including healthcare, supply chain management, and real estate. Its decentralized and secure nature makes it an attractive option for businesses looking to streamline their processes and increase efficiency. In 2025, we can expect to see more industries adopting blockchain technology, which will, in turn, boost the use and value of Bitcoin. One of the most controversial predictions for Bitcoin in 2025 is its potential to replace traditional currencies. While this may seem like a far-fetched idea, the rapid growth and acceptance of Bitcoin cannot be ignored. Some experts believe that Bitcoin's limited supply and decentralized nature make it a more stable and reliable currency compared to fiat currencies, which are subject to inflation and government control. If this prediction were to come true, it would have a significant impact on the global economy and financial systems. But how exactly does Bitcoin replace paper money? Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency, has been making waves in the financial world since its inception in 2009. It was created by an unknown person using the name Satoshi Nakamoto and operates without the need for a central bank or government. Firstly, it's important to understand that Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, meaning it is not controlled by any central authority. Instead, it relies on a network of users, called miners, to verify and process transactions. These miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations, and in return, they are rewarded with new Bitcoins. This process is known as mining, and it is how new Bitcoins are created. One of the main advantages of Bitcoin over paper money is its security. Paper money can easily be counterfeited, but Bitcoin's cryptographic system makes it nearly impossible to duplicate. Each Bitcoin transaction is recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which is constantly verified and updated by the network of miners. This makes it virtually impossible to tamper with the transaction history or create fake Bitcoins. With Bitcoin, transactions are processed almost instantly, making it a much more efficient and convenient method of payment. This is especially useful for international transactions, as Bitcoin is not bound by any country's borders or regulations. Furthermore, Bitcoin transactions are relatively low cost compared to traditional methods of payment. There are no intermediaries involved, such as banks or credit card companies, meaning there are no additional fees or charges. This makes it an attractive option for businesses and individuals looking to save money on transaction fees. Bitcoin also offers a level of privacy and anonymity that paper money cannot. While all Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the blockchain, the identities of the parties involved are not disclosed. This anonymity provides a sense of security for users who value their privacy. One of the most significant ways in which Bitcoin is replacing paper money is as a store of value. With the paper money, its value is subject to inflation and can fluctuate depending on the country's economy. However, Bitcoin has a finite supply of 21 million coins, making it a deflationary currency. This means that as demand for Bitcoin increases, its value also increases. Many people see Bitcoin as a viable alternative to traditional currencies for long-term investments. In recent years, Bitcoin has gained mainstream acceptance as a form of payment. Major companies like Microsoft, Expedia, and Shopify now accept Bitcoin as a payment method, further solidifying its place in the financial world. The implementation of Bitcoin ATMs and the ability to purchase goods and services with Bitcoin using debit cards have made it more accessible to the general public.